Okay, ended up tearing out more than I thought. And I decided to run the bottom plate even with the blocks, which is it's a 2x8, so it's about 7.5 inches wide, and that's about what the blocks are. So that'll go right over top of them nicely. And then I'm going to have to decide what can go between the 2x4 and this plate. Right here I put a 1-inch in, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that all the way across. We'll see. Maybe I have to jack it up to do it. Probably do. And then over here, went and borrowed a couple bars from a neighbor, and we pried these up and put these pieces underneath here. So that's better. And then from here over, we'll build up this corner and make that much better too. So the one interesting fact I did notice, was a little surprise, is this board that was on here, which was nailed from the inside. So that's, I wonder who crawled under there and did that, maybe before they put these blocks in. So the problem with this board was this right here. Too much of the board is missing. So all I was sitting on is this much of the block. And that was in the best case scenario, where it was coming off because it was crooked. Nothing was sitting on the blocks. And they just put a little concrete there to fill it in, make it look like it was all solid, but it wasn't. Okay, so let's get putting this back together more. And we still got this whole window issue thing, but you know, one thing at a time.